Okay, so I got the Ranger headers pretty much all done. It's Dean, State Performance. You know we're at the shop. I got this one all done. Not all done. I got to get the collector on it, but I have to run the stars in there. So I finished these two tubes, I believe, today. No. Yeah, these two tubes today. Still has room for a spark plug. That one's a little tough, but it's far enough away from the head. Should be good. Spark plug. So flange is all welded out. Left it bolted to the head. Yeah, I got to get the collector on it. Drill the hole for the bung for the O2 sensor, which I'm going to set the header down in the truck and then put the collector on and kind of probably just mark it for now, because I got to take that thing in. I got to crush it in a lot. I don't want to have the issue I had with the other one. But, yeah, I mean, I barely made it. I have the oversized 45, which you can't use. But basically those two little cut-off-ish 90s left. That's it. It took all that tube. So, yeah. Plugging away. Just got another job in, which is a big full build motor. It's a 5.3 4L80. Gonna put it on the Holley Terminator X Max, boosted. So, and that's full chassis wiring too. So there's quite a lot to do to that one. That'll be here in like 2 weeks. So I'm hoping Jim's harness comes in and I can get that in. The Ranger, I'm hoping to get this header on tomorrow and basically finish wiring. I did do an upper hose. I did find, yeah, you can't really see it because I'm too damn short, but there. I did find a 90, that correlated hose, whatever you want to call it, and then a coupler to go onto the radiator with all the clamps. Oh, about busted my. So I did find the upper hose. I gotta find a lower hose, and then it is wiring. Mount the ECU, and then just start wiring everything up, clamping everything up. All the clamps are on their way, I think. So the fuel rails is the only thing which I looked again. I cannot find fuel rails for this intake that are in stock anywhere. So hopefully, I'm going to call Tick today, find out if they have an idea on the back order status on them. I don't know that they will, or maybe call Fast directly. But yeah, other than that, we are doing it. Big old bucket of scrap stainless. But yeah, I took the tire off of this side to get in here. It was so much easier to take the flange on and off and build the tubes from right inside of here. So I can almost put every single bolt in from right here. I think I can put every single bolt in. The AC box makes it a little rough on my arm with the upper control arm, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I got to get the Allen wrench for the two lower plugs. Yeah, now I'm just going over a bunch of stuff, but I got the output harness for the screen. I got to make a bracket for the two rear coils to mount them up a little bit higher. Other than that, like, it's just the little things now. The little things tend to take the most time, which is weird. Like, building the header was 2 days, roughly. Building this header, day and a half. I didn't get to work on it a lot. I have 8 million other things going on that I had to run around and try and get taken care of. So I've only had maybe like 3 hours down here working on this header. And it's not quite done, but it's close. So anyways, for this quick little video update, tomorrow I'll try and do a start and finish full video, but I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, and leave me a comment. Have a good day.